In this video, I'm going to show you how to deal with missing pieces in a puzzle. In this case, my wife and I purchased this puzzle at an antique store. So after we put it together, we discovered missing pieces here, 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 and here. So what I did was I went to FedEx office to make a mirror image and a copy, a regular copy. And so you go to FedEx office, you ask for a couple sheets of glossy cardstock, and you make the copies in self-serve, and the self-serve copiers can make a mirror image. If you're not sure how to do it, just ask one of the staff members. They're very friendly, they can help you. And so for this area over here, I copied this area and made a mirror image, and the same for this area. I used this part of the puzzle here, and then for this area I used this part. And in the next part of this video, I'll show you how to trace out the copies that you're going to use. In this next step, you just want to trace the area that you want to cut out. So what I'm going to do is just place this under the area. Until you find the best match. I think that's the best, so you just trace it out with a fine marker. Okay, so you do that for all of the parts that you're missing. And then the next step would be to gluing it to a piece of chipboard so it'll be the same thickness as the puzzle. For this next part, find a piece of chipboard that's about the thickness of the puzzle. This is just from a notebook. It's about the thickness. Then I have my 4 pieces cut out. Then you just put glue on the back. And I've already done these pieces. Then you just put a weight on it, like that, and 2 or 3 hours should be fine to let it dry, but I'm going to let it dry overnight. And then tomorrow I'm going to go to the next step, which is cutting them out with an X-Acto knife. Okay, these are dry, and what you want to do is just start cutting it out. You definitely want to have a new X-Acto blade.